Here we go. Okay, so the plan is to paint these the new M1 Garand I'm making, the wooden part. Just gonna get some gloves. Now we're gonna do the scary part of. Okay, it's gonna hang like so. So this is the important side. This is the non-important side. We have some cardboard to soak up these bits or yeah, whatever they call it in English. It's called stain, I think. Stain, wood stain. Wow, this smells. Yep. Whew. Yeah, this smells a lot. And I choose to like only place where I don't have a door. I am great at this sometimes. So the point is we're using a really rough brush and just go over it like so. Oh no, not like that. To get some nice wood grains. So this is just more or less staining it at this moment. We're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna fully soak this so it really start to get these good lines. I think I need to stand this up. Look at that already. Looks really fine. Whoop! Don't tip it over. I'm trying not to get this mess everywhere. Because I don't want it to dry where it's not supposed to dry. I'd rather have it just flowing down into the cardboard. And I can just have lines going from the top maybe. Like so. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh. I can't like do multiple takes on one go. I have to like go from the top and just go down. We can go back to that side. Gonna do the middle part. Oh, this smells really weird. If I die early, you know, it's all the glue and all the weird chemicals I'm using while doing this. I don't know if you see anything, but I'm just trying to soak this really fast so we can get the good lines going. Also trying to hold it at the same time. Really hard, actually. We want a lot of stain to get these good lines. So I want it to be stained everywhere. Look kind of nice. Oh, here I have some weird looking things. Oh, hopefully it didn't splatter on the roof or in the ceiling. That'd be really weird. So this is fairly easy so far. See if I can get it close to the camera. Yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. It's actually the most easy like paint jobs I ever do. Yeah, it's funny. I'm just gonna see if I can hold it up so I can see if there's... Oh, there's a line I don't like. Oh, I missed over there. There's no takebacks, so... I think I need to do more on the top. Oh, this mahogany stain is so good looking. Yeah, it's fabulous. Okay, that side is fine. That side seems fine. Oh! The middle part, if I can get the whole of that somehow. This doesn't look that good. Great. Good. Can't speak. So it's a matter of doing all of this before it's starting to dry too fast. And then we're gonna also varnish this with real wood varnish. So you're gonna smell almost wood. Or how you're supposed to smell wood, I don't know. Yeah, I think this looks kind of nice. So if I don't read chat right now, I just need to focus on this a little bit longer. So I think that's done. That one. Can it stand by itself? Hopefully can. Wiggle away. Up! Go away, fly. Don't have time for you. Okay, this is just top and bottom parts I have. That is also connected to this. Last time I didn't get a good amount of wood pattern on these, so I wasn't super satisfied. So we're gonna drench that one, and then we're gonna drench this one as well. So you get it to be a bit sticky. That's the best part. So it's starting to dry, get a little bit sticky. You can start making these wood markings, wood lines. Gonna let that dry a little bit. Gonna go over to this one. See if we can start to make these. Beautiful. Beautiful. And if it's not, as you can see maybe now, if it's not dry enough, it starts to flow out again, because that's what it's meant to do. To be an even coat. And we don't like the even coats. We want it to look like a wood. So we're gonna let that dry a little bit, and we're gonna go over it again. I see that these are still floating out a little bit. We're gonna check the big one. Kinda looks nice. I got some spots from when I airbrushed it. Oh! Here I see I have some rinning or flowing. Go away. Also over there. Well, the important side is fabulous. good. So we're gonna go over these again a little bit. Oh, need some more. Because some of it soaks up into the material even though it's not wood. But we want it to be a certain color as well. And it's not important to go straight. Just do some, not like so, but be, you know, nature. Soft motions. You want it to think this is a one piece of wood. I'm try to stand this up as well. I think it's better to let them dry standing up, because then they don't like flow out. Yeah, I think that's, we are kinda close or done. I'm just gonna pour back the stain I still have. Can use that for next project.